Aruna, you have completed? Fine. A sound? Sound is not coming. Audio? Yes, Karimullah, both. Yes, please respond. Whether are you getting this audio or not? Can you hear me or not? Yes? Can you hear me or not? Please respond. Anyone? Okay, fine. Then coming back to this one, D and L. D is here and L is here. Which element is common? Now between D and L, the element that is common D is here, and at the same time L is here. The element that is common is, what is the element that is common? C is common. C equals to D. In the place of C, I will write D. Hence, what is your answer? Lesser than or equals to. Which symbol is common? Lesser. Hence, D lesser than L. Now, D lesser than L, definitely true. And next one, M and N. M is here, N is here. And which element is common? Again, C is common. M to C, M lesser than C, and again C to N lesser than, forget about this, all equal to. Now C to N, C lesser than. M lesser than C, C lesser than N, both 1 and 2. Choice for question number 1. Clear? Question number 1, it is choice 1. The next one. Let's start working out this one. I shall give only 20 seconds to this. Make it fast. Question number 2. As done. Now in this one, the relation between P and S. Now P and S, P is here, S is here. And which element is common here? And P to S, the element that is common is, element common, P ikkada. And at the same time, S is here. And E, P, N, K, T, M. Now E, P, and K is common. Hence P to K, P lesser than or equals to K, isn't it? And K to S. Now S to K, S greater than K means K lesser than S. Hence from P to S, P lesser than S is true, equal to S is false. The next one, E and J. E is here, J is here. Which element is common? And E and K. Now E to K, E lesser than K, and at the same time, and J. J to K, J greater than or equals to means K lesser than or equals to J. Hence which symbol is common? Lesser than. E lesser than J, only 2, and it is given in choice to question number 2. Then next one, question number 3. Now in question number 3, let's start. Is done? Yes, Ria, you have done 4. Good. Neither. Fine. Then coming back to this one, R and P. R is here, P is here. Forget about this equal to. R to P, which element is common? R to K and K to P. R to K, R lesser than or equals to K. K to P, two opposite symbols. Two opposite symbols, no relation. Clear? Two opposite symbols, there is no relation. Then coming to the second, T and E. Now T is here, E is here. Again K is common. K greater than or equals to T, and K to k greater than or equals to t, again from k to e. And k to e again opposite symbol. And so no relation can be done, neither 1 nor 2, choice 4. Then, and this is about choice 4. Then next one, syllogisms. Now in this syllogism, start working out this one. I'll give some 30 seconds to this. Your time starts now. Then in this one, now question number 4. Now some green or black. What do you mean by this one? Some green or black. Now these are the green that are black. Some green or black. And only a few black or white. Only a few black or white means now this is white and only a few. That means only, you should always take in the reverse. And this entire white cannot be black. This white belongs to only for some black, isn't it? And this entire white cannot be a part of this black. And all white are blue. And this entire white is a part of what? Entire white is a part of this blue color. Then according to this one, some green are not white. As of now, there is no green that is white. That is true. Then, as this is true, second, some black are not blue. Now, and this is entire black. Now this is black. These are the black that are not blue, that is true. And so both the conclusions are true. And both these two are what? Both these two are negative conclusions. As both these two are negative conclusions, hence, to make this one false, we need to draw an alternate diagram, isn't it? ఇది false అవ్వాలంటే some green or not white false అవ్వాలంటే ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? All green or white అని చెప్పాలి. All green or white, tell me whether I can able to write green like this or not. మా green కి black కి intersection ఉండాలి, green and black intersection. And so alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. Clear? Then coming to the second one. Some black are not blue అన్నారు. ఇది false అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? All black are blue అని చెప్పాలి. All black are blue అంటే black అంతా బ్లూలోకి రావాలి. బ్లాక్ అంతా బ్లూలోకి రావాలనుకుంటే ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చమ్మా, ఇలా బ్లాక్ అంతా బ్లూలోకి ఇలా రాసుకుంటే ఏమైపోయింది? బ్లాక్ అంతా దేంట్లోకి? వైట్ అంతా బ్లాక్లోకి రాకూడదు, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? కానీ ఈ బ్లాక్ మొత్తం బ్లూకి రావచ్చు. అండ్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ టు ప్రీవియస్ కన్క్లూజన్ ఫాల్స్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? నెయిదర్ 1 nor 2, చాయిస్ 4. క్లియర్? వైట్ మొత్తం దేంట్లోకి రాకూడదు, బ్లాక్లోకి రాకూడదు. కానీ ఈ బ్లాక్ అనేది బ్లూలోకి అయితే రావచ్చు. ఇలా తీసుకున్నప్పుడు కూడా దిస్ ఎంటైర్ వైట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బ్లాక్. క్లియర్? చాయిస్ 4, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 4. Then next one, question number 5. Now in this question number 5, it's 30 seconds time. Yes, Sandeep, you heard on? Yes. Shall I start with this? Either or. Now coming back to this one. Now question number 4. Some gold is silver. And this is the gold, that is silver. And some silver are not white, some not. Some silver are not white, just we are representing with a line. Some silver. మా సమ్కి మనకి ఏం చెప్పిన బేసిక్ డయాగ్రామ్లో నో కింద తీసుకోండి. ఈ రెండు కొంతవరకు కలవకూడదు. యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో కలవలేదనిసే తీసుకుందాం. మినిమం ఇంటర్సెక్షన్. సమ్ సిల్వర్ ఈజ్ ఆర్ నాట్ వెట్. ఓన్లీ ఎ ఫ్యూ సిల్వర్ ఆర్ బ్రాంజ్. And that means only some bronze or silver but not all. Only some bronze or silver but not all. Sarveda? But not all. Then coming to the first one. In the first one, some white are not brown. No white is brown, some white are not brown is also true. Only a few silver are bronze. Only few silver are bronze. Some gold is silver, some silvers are not white. Only a few silver are bronze. Okay, let us take this is brown this one, brown, because conclusions are in brown. Then first one, some white are not brown. No white is brown, some white is not brown, true. Some white are brown, some white are brown, that is false. Clear? Then first conclusion, negative conclusion. May the false avalante em cheyali? Then you need to draw an alternate diagram, isn't it? And you need to draw an alternate diagram. Alternate diagram ఏం చెప్పండి దీనికి? ఆల్ వైట్ ఆర్ బ్రౌన్ రావాలి. ఆల్ వైట్ ఆర్ బ్రౌన్ అంటే వైట్ అంతా బ్రౌన్లోకి రావచ్చో లేదా? ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఆల్ వైట్ ఆర్ బ్రౌన్. దీంట్లో కొంతవరకు కలవకూడదు, కలవకుండా ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చాం. ఆల్ వైట్ ఆర్ బ్రౌన్ ట్రూ అయింది కాబట్టి సమ్ వైట్ ఆర్ నాట్ బ్రౌన్ ఫాల్స్ అయింది. ఇదే డయాగ్రామ్లో ఇంతకుముందు ఫాల్స్ అయిన సెకండ్ కంక్లూజన్ సమ్ వైట్ ఆర్ బ్రౌన్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమైపోయింది? ఇప్పుడు ట్రూ అయిపోయింది. ఫస్ట్ కంక్లూజన్ ట్రూ అయితే సెకండ్ ఫాల్స్, సెకండ్ ట్రూ అయితే ఫస్ట్ ఫాల్స్. Hence, what is your answer? Either 1 or 2, choice 3. Yes, most of you have got choice 3 as the answer. Good. Next one, question number 6. Now in this question number 6, and your time starts now. Change 6th question. That's fine. Then in this one, only a few red or orange. Only a few red or orange means, and these orange belongs to only some red. Orange belongs to only some red. Now this orange, this is red. This orange belongs to only some red but not all. All oranges cannot be red. All oranges are yellow. This entire orange is what? Yellow. And all yellows are what? All yellows are brown. Then first one, some red are not brown. Now these are the reds that are not brown, that is true. Some red are not orange. These are the red that is not orange, that is also true. Both the conclusions are true. As both the conclusions are true, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? alternate diagram. Then what is alternate diagram to this? And some red are not brown అంటే all red are brown. ఈ రెడ్ అంతా బ్రౌన్లోకి రాసుకోవాలి. రెడ్ అంతా బ్రౌన్ అంటే బ్రౌన్ ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఇలా రాయొచ్చు, isn't it? And ఇలా రాస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? alternate diagram to previous conclusion false. The next one, second one, some red are not orange. Entire red must be orange. Entire red orange అంటే రెడ్ అంతా ఆరెంజ్, ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా రెడ్ని. అండ్ ఆరెంజ్ అంతా రెడ్లోకి రాకూడదు, isn't it? అండ్ కొంతవరకే ఉండాలి కనుక రెడ్ ఇలా రాస్తాం. ఏమైంది? సమ్ రెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఆరెంజ్ ఫాల్స్ బికాస్ ఆల్ రెడ్ ఆర్ ఆరెంజ్. క్లియర్? అండ్ 1 minute. No. Some red are not orange means this entire red must be a part of what? Entire red must be part of orange. As entire red must be part of orange, and రెడ్ మొత్తం ఆరెంజ్లోకి రావాలి. రెడ్ మొత్తం ఆరెంజ్లోకి అంటే రెడ్ ఇలా రావాలి. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం చెప్పండి? ఆరెంజ్ మొత్తం రెడ్లోకి రాకూడదు, రెడ్ మొత్తం రావచ్చు. రాస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఫాల్స్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? నెయిదర్ 1 nor 2, చాయిస్ 4. క్లియర్? And this is about question number 6. then 7th one onwards. Then coming to question number 7. Now it is based on directions. Now for this direction set, I will give some 2 minutes for you. Okay? I will give 3 minutes. Make it fast. Is Karimullah done? Puja completed? Yes, Kavya. Only few red or arrangements. These oranges belongs to only for some red. That means this entire orange cannot be red. Clear? You should always move in the reverse order only. Are you getting my point or not? In the very first class I had discussed about that one. On Monday, while starting this one, I have clearly stated about those 2 points, only SRBs and only a few SRBs. In both the cases, you should always move in the reverse order. And only some oranges are not red. You should take like that. Some oranges are red. Only some oranges are red. That means all oranges cannot be red. Clear, Kavya? All oranges cannot be red. All red can be orange. All oranges cannot be red. Always in the reverse order. Okay? Okay, good. And next one. Has done, most of you people have done. Good. Now coming back to this one. Point E is 4 meters to the north of Z. Where is this E? E is 4 meters to the north of Z. This E which is 4 meters to the north of Z. Point E is 4 meters to the north of Z. The distance is how much? 4 meters. E is 4 meters to the north of Z. K is 5 meters to the south of F. K is 5 meters to the south of F. And H is 3 meters to the east of L. And L and H, and the distance is 3 meters. H is 3 meters to the east of L. And L which is 6 meters to the south of K. L is 6 meters to the south of K. This is L which is 6 meters to the south of K, and from L, H is here, the distance is only 3 meters. Then E is 2 meters to the east of N. Now this E which is 2 meters to the east of N. N which is 8 meters to the west of K. N is 8 meters to the west of K, and so K is here. N is 8 meters, 2 plus 6 is N, 8 meters. As K is already fixed here, south direction from K, that is L, and distance is almost 6 meters. and out of it up to here 4, and this is 2. L to H, the distance is 3 meters. Clear? We have taken this entire information. And K to F, 5 meters. Now K to F, what is the distance? 5 meters. F is here. Then N, which is 8 meters to the west of K, and G is 9 meters to the west of M. Now this G is 9 meters to the west of M, this is 6, and one more 3 meters, and G is 9 meters to the west of M means now this is 3 meters. Hence M and H must be in a horizontal, in a vertical straight line. Clear? Now M and H are in a vertical straight line, M is here. Are you getting this one or not? Now this is the final diagram we have, and according to this, what is the shortest distance between N and L? Now we need to find the shortest distance between L and L, that means this one. In order to form this one, we need to draw a Pythagoras triangle. What is the vertical direction here? 4 plus 2, 6, and 6 square. And 6 square is almost 36. And horizontal. Horizontal 2 plus 6, 8. And 6 square plus 8 square. 36 plus 64. 100 is nothing but 10 meters. 10 meters, choice 4. Clear? First one it is 10 meters, choice 4. The next one, question number 8. Now in this 8th one, what is the shortest distance between M and K? M and K, we need to find the shortest distance. M is here, K is here. Now we need to find 3 and 4. 3 square plus 4 square. How much is that one? 5 meters, choice 2. Then 8th one. Then 9, what is the direction of F with respect to M? Now we need to find out the direction of F with respect to M. In order to find out F with respect to M and F, to reach F from M, first I need to move towards north and west to northwest. North and west, northwest. Clear? Northwest is the answer. That is choice 5. Question number 9. Then 10th one. Now question number 10, just it is based on a number. Okay? And just it is based on number. And I'll just give 1 minute to this. Start working out this. How many such pairs of numbers are there? How many such pairs of digits are there in the number, each of which has as many digits between them in the number as when the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number? Yes, Karimullah, you have got none? Yes. Then coming back to this one, what is the number we have? 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, 8, 3, 4. 6, 1, 2, 7, 8, 3, 4 is the number. Now in this number, now all the digits first are arranged in the ascending order. And each of which is in between them when the digits are arranged in ascending order. As the digits are arranged in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? Now here between 1 and 2. 1 and 2 there is no digit. Here also 1 and 2 there is no digit. Isn't it? Then 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3, 1 digit. 1 and 4, 2 digits. And 1 and 6, 3 digits. 1 and 6, 3 digits. And 1 and 7, 4 digits. 1 and 8, there are 5 digits. And with the help of 1, there is only 1. Then coming to 2. 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 4. And next one, 2 and 6, there are 2. And here 2 and 6, 1. 2 and 7, there are 3. And 2 and 8, there are 4. 2 with the help of 2, there is nothing. The next one, 3 and 4. Now 3 and 4, and again 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are consecutive, 3 and 4 are consecutive. 3 to 6, 3 to 6, more than. 3 to 7, no. 3 to 8, there are 3, they are adjacent. Hence, as of now, there are 2. Then, next one, 4. 4 and 6, so how many you have? And 4 and 6, more than 1. And 4 and 7, 1. Here there are 2. 4 and 8, there are 3. Here there are 1. and that's also ruled out. And 6 and 7, no. 6 and 7, isn't it? And 7 and 8, there is 1. Here also there is 1. And so how many pairs we have? 3 pairs. 3, that is choice for question number 10. Clear? Then next one. Now question number 11. Now it is based on just coding. Then start working on this one. What is the code for good? Completed? SDR, good. Find choice 4. Then, coming back to this one. What is the code for good? Then, where is good here? Good is somewhere here, isn't it? As good is here, then good is here, plane and fly. Now, fly is common between these two. There is one code that is common, MR. And here plane is common, here QR. What is left out? DR choice 4. Then DR it is choice 4. Then coming to question number 12 to 16. Now this is based on a puzzle. Now here in this puzzle, I will give some 3 minutes to you and start working on this. 8 persons were born in 4 different months. 2 dates. 4 months and 2 dates. If you observe here, from the last 3 days, that is from Monday onwards, since we have started these sessions, every time we are coming out with a different puzzle. And all these puzzles are ones were given in your examination. Okay? Please work out this. Here months and dates were given. 2 months and 4 months and 2 dates. Yes, Subhadra, you have completed? Yes, Sangama is ready. Good. New one it seems. Kavya, completed? Yes, done. Good. Yes, most of you are done in the stipulated time of 3 minutes. Then, now let's start explaining here. Now in this case, what is the information we have? And months were given. Whenever these months were given, always write one below the other. What are the months? March, June, July and September. March, June, July and September. Then in this one, March, June, July and September. Then coming to this one, March, June, July and September. March, what are the dates we have? 17th or 22nd. March 17, March 22nd. And June 17, June 22nd. March, June, July and September. July 17, 22nd. And September 17, 22nd. Now 8 persons on these 8 different dates. No 2 persons were born on the same date in a month. Only 2 persons were born between R and T. How many are there? 2 months between R and T. T who was born in an even numbered date. Now T was born on an even numbered date. That means T must be 22nd. But the month not having odd numbered days. That means T was born on an even numbered date and even numbered days. Even numbered days, March is ruled out and September. Hence for this T, how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. Isn't it? Can be June 22nd or September 22nd. My even number date lo puttali, aa month lo even number days undali. Indulo manaku unnadi March and July odd number days, June and September even number days. And only 2 persons between R and T. T kunnadu kabatti R will be here. Now in this one 2 persons between R and T, R can be here, or T is here 1, 2, R will be here. There are 2 possibilities to this R. Hence we have written the second possibility here. And only 2 persons between Q and U. In between Q and U, there are only, and both were born after V. And 2 persons between whom Q and U, and 2 persons, and both these 2 persons after V only. After V. And Q and U, and both the persons were born after V. And next one, at least 2 persons were born between W and Q. Now in between W and Q, how many persons? At least 2 persons. Greater than or equals to 2 persons between W and Q. Q who was born in an even number year, even number date. That means Q must be even number date and Q must be 22nd. Now if Q is here, let us take for example, then 1, 2, U will be here, Q is here, then U will be here. Then W and Q more than 2, hence 1, 2, and W can be at any one of these places, isn't it? Then W was born immediately before T. Where is this W? W was born immediately before T. If W was born immediately before T, you cannot have Q at this place. Are you getting this one or not? And Q was born in an even number date. Q cannot be here, and W is immediately before this one, W is here. And between W and Q, at least 2 persons. W is here 1, 2, and Q. Can we take Q at this place? And if you take Q here, now between Q and U there must be exactly 2 people, and 1, 2, U must be here. Then W was born, P was born immediately after S. P and S must be together. P was born immediately after S. P was born immediately after S. Now in this case, but not in the same month. Now P and S, but not in the same month, that is fine. Hence USP, QR, W and T. Then who is the person after here? And P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W. Now in this one, any information that is invalid here? Only 2 persons between R and T. R and T 2. T was born on an even number date, but not having odd number days. And only 2 persons were born between Q and U. Between Q and U there are only 2 persons. And both these 2 persons, Q and V, must be after this V. V tarvata undali. Kani ikkada em ayipoyindi? V kanna mundu undipoyindi. And that is ruled out. Then coming back to this one. Now in this one, in this possibility, W and T were here. Now between W and Q, more than 2 persons, isn't it? And Q and U, again there are 2 people here. Now if Q is here, and 1, 2, U will be here. and both these two persons must be after this V is here, and V is here between W and Q more than 2 persons. Then we have left with P and S, and P was born immediately after S. P is immediately after S, isn't it? And this is the final arrangement. R, V, W, T, U, S, P and Q. Clear now? And U and Q after we find. Then coming back to this one, question number 12. Yes, tell me what is the final arrangement we have? RV, W, T, U, RV, W, T, U, S, P, Q, isn't it? And you also got the same thing, S, P and Q. Now this is the final arrangement we have. And who among the following persons is born in July month? Now this is what? This is March. And next one is what? March. And what are the months we have? March, June, and next one, March, June, July, and September. Now this is July and this is September. Then next coming to this one, who among the following was born in the month of July? U and S, out of which S is given choice 3. And how many people were born between V and P? Yes, how many in between V and P? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, that is choice 4, question number 12. Isn't it? And how many persons are younger than P? That means how many persons were born after this P? There is only one. Only one, that is choice 1. And 4 out of the following. And 4 out of the following means odd one out. Now in this odd one out, and U. U was born on 17th, isn't it? U was born on 17th, and P was born on 17th, R was born on 17th, and W born on 17th, and T was born on 22nd, and except choice 5. And the remaining persons were born on 17th. Clear? T is the answer. And next one, which of the following statement is true? Here, R was born after V. R is born before V, first one is false. And Q was born after S. And Q born after S, that is definitely true. And choice 2, question number 16. Clear? Yes, hope you have followed this one. And today, and we have discussed about inequalities. Then we have discussed about syllogisms. Then just one number. Next, directions. Then followed by this puzzle. Hope you have followed this session. Thank you for your participation. And in the next class, that is going to be tomorrow, and let us discuss with some more models in this examination. Clear? Thank you one and all. See you tomorrow. Thanks once again.